Hello everyone, are you finding it difficult to send messages on your Telegram application? In this video, I'll show you several solutions that you can fix Telegram messages not sent on your phone. Let's get into the video. The first solution is to check your internet connection. Problems like this may be from internet connections and you may not be aware. So in order for you to confirm if it is from your internet connection, open another application or website on the same device using the same internet connection. I'm going to go ahead and open a website like this. So if it opens, then you can confirm that the issue is not from your internet connection. So another solution is for you to close the Telegram application and reopen it, which is restarting the Telegram application. For instance, if I send hi and it's not going through, so go ahead and close the Telegram application. In most Android phone, you need to swipe from bottom to up and swipe off the application to close it, and go ahead and open the application again. Now if you type the message and it's still not sending, then you need to go to the next solution, which is restarting your phone. Now restarting your phone generally fixes some software glitches or software issues. Apart from Telegram, if you have issues with your software, one of the most common solutions is for you to restart your phone. So restart your phone in whatever way you used in restarting your phone. And if the issue still persists, then the next solution is to go to Google Play Store and update your Telegram application. Check if the Telegram application you are using is the outdated or the old version. So go ahead and type in Telegram in the search box and search for Telegram. If you see the update message here, simply tap on the update to update the Telegram. Now if you see open, it means that the Telegram is up to date, so you don't need to update the Telegram. So in my own case, I'm going to simply tap on update to update the Telegram. Another solution is for you to check the cache of your Telegram application. So if you are using an Android device, go to your phone settings. Under phone settings, go to your application or app management section. So I'm going to go back here. Go to application, go to app management and look for Telegram. So here's Telegram. Tap on Telegram. Under Telegram, tap on storage usage. Under storage usage, look for cache and tap on clear cache. So clearing of cache most times also solve the software glitch. And another thing for you to do on your phone, both Android and iPhone, is for you to check the date and time. In case you're not using the correct date and time, sometimes it can interfere with secure connection because Telegram uses a secure connection. So in order for you to check your date and time, open your phone settings, search for date and time. In some Android phone, you will see date and time under system and update. So search for date and time under the system and update. Open the date and time and set time automatically. Tap on set time automatically and it will set your time automatically. Also guys, make sure you're not using VPN or proxy, because most VPN or proxy makes your Telegram not to work properly since the Telegram is using a secure network. Another thing is for you to check if you violated Telegram rules and regulation and they've disabled or restricted your account from sending messages for a particular period of time. Now, after trying all the solutions, if it doesn't work, then you will need to uninstall the Telegram from your device and reinstall the Telegram. So definitely it will work. After reinstalling the Telegram, make sure you sign in back with the account you previously used on your Telegram in order for you to get your message synced into your device. So guys, if this solution help you, or if any of these solutions help you, do well to let me know in the comment section which solution help you. And also, if you enjoyed the video, please support the video with a like. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you'll be notified whenever I drop a new update. I'll see you in my next video.